Google was once leading AI, so how did it fall behind so fast? Did Google actually win the AI race after all? That's the question everyone in Silicon Valley is asking today. For a hot minute, the search giant looked like a dinosaur, watching a meteor named OpenAI streak across the sky. The narrative was set. Google, the aging monarch, had grown slow, cautious, bureaucratic. It invented the core technologies, but failed to capitalize. A scrappy startup ran with the future. Pundits wrote its AI obituary. Competitors smirked. But tech narratives turn on a dime. Just over a year ago, the story was different. ChatGPT captured the world's imagination, the fastest-growing app in history. It became the default name for generative AI, a classic innovator's dilemma in real time. Google protected its search ad empire, afraid to disrupt the golden goose. Big company paralysis. Moves felt reactive, launches a half step behind. Perception. It fumbled the future it helped create. But Google played a longer, quieter game. Infrastructure and integration. The problem wasn't talent or tech, it was confidence and speed. What they needed was a jolt. That jolt? Competitors looked unbeatable. The evidence was everywhere. ChatGPT was simple, direct, magical. Bard felt underwhelming. The turning point came in late 2025, not one launch, a strategic tidal wave. Google unleashed the Gemini 3 series. It matched rivals, and in reasoning and coding, it surpassed them. Second-place narratives cracked. Developers noticed. Power users noticed. Independent benchmarks praised it. Users surged. Gemini raced towards 650 million MAUs by year's end. The gap closed at astonishing speed. Visits jumped double digits month over month. ChatGPT's engagement plateaued, then declined. The hunter became the hunted. Sam Altman issued a code red, postponing projects to catch up to Google. Shockwaves hit markets. Google's TPU-led stack began trading at a premium. OpenAI burned cash on compute. Google subsidized with search and cloud. Google's comeback isn't just a better chatbot. It's vertical integration, data, chips, cloud, models, apps. Google makes Gemini, designs TPUs, and runs global cloud. It owns a private data goldmine, search, Android, YouTube. Control means performance and cost advantages, no suppliers to pay. While GPU demand bottlenecked the industry, TPUs became a real alternative, even for hyperscalers. Owning the picks, the mine, the refinery, the supply chain. Search and cloud fund AI at scale. Rivals chase profitability. Genius move, make AI disappear into Chrome, Android, and the workspace. Docs, slides, sheets. AI as an ambient utility, like electricity. Why open another app when your browser drafts and summarizes? Every app is a new surface for Gemini. In 2026, Assistant becomes Gemini, AI always there. They won't think Gemini, they'll just use their phone. As of today, Google is back on top. It has momentum, superior infrastructure, and distribution rivals can't copy. It weathered the storm of opinion and emerged stronger, focused, aggressive. The code red validated it. Google is the one to beat. Gemini is now the fabric of Google's ecosystem. But in AI, the question is, for how long? This landscape is volatile. Breakthroughs can come from anywhere. A startup, a rival giant, an open-source wave could flip the race again. Google's edge is formidable, but not permanent. Stay urgent, break silos, ship fast, listen to the market. This is a marathon, not a sprint. We're in the early miles. The demise was premature. Victory isn't guaranteed. Who wins? The smartest AI in a box, or the AI you forget is there? That answer will decide who wears the crown in 2027. The story is changing fast. Keep paying attention and subscribe for sharp AI and tech breakdowns.